amazing, amazing, amazing day today. We just got done seeing the Samut Thai Dam, which is like one of two versions. There's a Samut Thai Khao, which is a white version, and the Samut Thai Dam, which is the black version. Basically, it's the oldest manuscript that the world knows of about Rue-si Dat Ton. And they focus on 80 different postures. It was unbelievable. We had to, wear white gloves. You take the wooden stick, you turn the pages. It was amazing. How they were there's motorcycles, we're in Thailand, and tuk-tuks. How they were even willing to let us have control over the situation was totally beyond me. I mean, it was just, this thing is so fragile. It's almost 200 years old. It was actually created in 1838, and it is the original source text, on Rue-si Dat Ton. Again, only 80 postures. There's over 300 that are known but not very well documented. We found several other books here at the National Library, one of which has 127 different postures. Amazing book in all different kinds of positions. Like, you can do Rue-si Dat Ton laying down, you can do it standing up, you can do it from a kneeling position, and so lots of great content coming your way. We're going to bring this to you guys. You can use these exercises to treat a whole variety of different ailments, and I'm just on cloud nine. This was for me, this was like seeing the world famous Book of Kells in Ireland. And I mean, I know it's not the same thing, totally different subjects and everything, but I mean, just from a level of interest and just to be able to see this ancient manuscript. It's in the ancient manuscript section. There's rare book section, and then it's the next level up. It's really old, and I just I'm kind of at a loss for words. I mean, obviously I'm talking to you about it, but it's just a really special experience, and I'm really grateful to have it, and I'm really grateful to the Thai National Library for allowing us to come in and actually have this really unique experience, and I'll treasure it forever. So anyway, stay tuned because the exercises are coming your way, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.